Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Hope you all will be fit and fine at home. So today I'm back with same chapter, that is chapter 7, parts of a plant. And today we will do exercises in this video. And before doing the exercises, we will revise this chapter once again. What we have studied in this chapter, beta, the two main parts of a plant are root and shoot system, that you can have already seen on the board the diagram which I have made, beta, that plants can be divided into two main parts. The first part, which is below the soil, which grows under the soil, that is root system, and the part of plant which grows above the soil, that is shoot system. Okay, in the root system only root is there, and shoot system consists all the parts of plant like stem, leaves, flowers, fruits, bud, branches. All these parts comes as a shoot system, which we have studied. Roots usually grow below the ground, whereas shoot grows above the ground, which you know already. Leaf is the most important part of a shoot, as it's make food for the plant. It makes food for the plant, and it is known as a kitchen and food factory of a plant. And how it is making food? With the help of air, water, sunlight, it is making food for the whole plant. Seeds grow into a new plant. All the seeds, if you want a new plant, so how you can get the new plant? Firstly, you should have a seed, and then you can grow it. So all the seeds would have a new plant. It contains the baby seed in it, baby plant in it, and all the seeds grow into a new plant. A seed needs soil, water, and sunlight to grow, and that process is basically called as germination in a seed, germination of a seed. So what is germination? The growth of a baby plant from a seed is called germination. So now let's start exercises. You can have your books with you. Page number 58 you have to take out. Not 58, sorry, 56. Page number 56 you have to take out, beta, according to my book. Maybe the number can be different in your book, so you can see. First question, write true or false. What is first statement? The two main parts of a plant are root and fruit. Is this true statement or false statement? That the two main parts of a plant are root and fruit? No, this is false statement, because the two main parts are root and shoot. So this is false statement. You can write false. The second, roots usually grow downwards. Yes, beta. You can see the diagram of roots. It grows under the soil. Soil के नीचे होता है, and it grows downward. नीचे की तरफ ये grow करती है. So this is true statement. You can write true. Then third, rose and hibiscus plants have taproot. Yes, taproot क्या होती है? The taproot, the root which consists of one main thick root, that is called as taproot, and hibiscus and rose are examples of taproot. So this statement is also true. You can write. Then fourth point, we eat stems of some plants. We eat stems of some plants. Yes, which stems we are eating? Like sugar cane. If we will talk about the underground stem, that is potato, ginger. So this statement is also true. Then wheat and onion plants have fibrous root. Yes, this is also true. Now, the one question is given on page number 57. What is that question? Write names of two fruits having one seed. You have to write down the names of fruit which is having one seed in them. So what you can write? According to me, you can write there, page number 57 पे है ये question. You have to write two fruits One C. One C. What you can write? Mango you can write there and plum you can write there. Plum होते हैं बेटा बेर and mango you know that is आम. So you have to do it. Now page number you have to take out 58. Page number 58. Page number 58. And what you have to do in this? Take the correct option. Take the correct option. You have to tell the one answer which is correct. And in this question, 4 options are given. What is question number 1? Two main parts of a plant are. Two main parts of a plant are. Is that fruit and shoot? Is that leaf and shoot? Is that fruit and root? And the last one is root and shoot. You have to tell the two main parts of a plant are. So the last option is correct, that is root and shoot. So you have to pick on D option, that is root and shoot. Okay children. Now second, rose, hibiscus and tomato have which kind of root they are asking? Is that having fibrous root, the A option, B is taproot, C option is fibrous shoot and D option is tap shoot. So which root they are having? They are having tap root. You can tick on B option and B option is tap root. Now children, third question. What is third question? Thin tubes running across a leaf are called. Thin tubes running across a leaf. A leaf which has so many lines in it. What they are called? Are they called leaf blade, stomatas, veins and roots? What they are called? They are called veins. Yes. You can tick on C option, that is veins. Okay children, now I am writing up. You can see here. Fourth part. What is fourth? Which of the following makes food for the plant? Makes food for the plant? You know very well. Is that leaf? Is that root? Is that flower? And is that fruit? Yes children, that is leaf. And that's why it is known as a kitchen and food factory of a plant. So tick on A option, that is leaf. Now question 5th. Tiny pores present on the lower surface of leaves are called. Is that veins, side veins, roots, stomatas? Yes, tiny pores are called as stomata. So tick on D option. Now B part. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First question. Roots fix the plant firmly in the dash. And 3 options are given. You have to take one option and same option you will fill in the blank. Is that soil? Is that air? Is that water? Root fix the plant firmly in the soil. So children, you have to write down soil. The second question is dash roots are found in sugarcane and onion. Which roots are found in sugarcane and onion? Is that fibrous, tap and tiny? So you will write down fibrous and root is already written there. Now third one is the dash carries food and water to different parts of a plant. What is that? Is that leaf? Is that root? Is that stem? So yes, that is stem carries बेटा. अगर इसमें absorb होता तो आप root लिखते, but the carries is written, so you will write here stem. Now question number 4. Now question number 4. The flat part of a leaf is called the leaf dash. Is that blade? Is that knife? Is that tail? So tick on blade, children, and write down blade. That is leaf blade. The flat part of a leaf is called leaf blade. A mango has dash sheet. How many sheet? Does it have 1, 2 and many? Yes, mango has 1 seed. So children, write down 1 in this. Now we will do name the following. Name the following we will start. Question number C. Name the following. First question, 3 roots which we eat. You have to write down the 3 roots name which we are using to eat. Means edible roots के name आपको बताने हैं जो हम खाने के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं. That is, you can write down onion, radish and carrot. Onion, radish and carrot. Then second question, and write down the correct spelling, children. Second question, 3 stems which we eat. 3 edible stems के name आपको बताने हैं. That is, potato is a underground stem, ginger and sugarcane. These are stems which we are using to eat. Then third question, 3 leaves which we eat. 3 edible leaves आपको बताने हैं जो हम use करते हैं for eating. That is, mint leaves you can write down, mint, and at place of mint you can write down mint. Then spinach you can write, coriander you can write, and cabbage you can write. Anything you can write. 3 they are asking, आप लिख लीजिए इसमें से. Then fourth one is 3 fruits having many seeds. आपको कोई 3 fruits बताने हैं जिसमें बहुत सारे seeds होते हैं. So which fruits are having so many seeds? That is, watermelon you can write down. Watermelon, papaya is also having so many seeds, and you can write down muskmelon. Okay children, so these spellings are very big, you have to write it carefully. Let me revise again, and one question also left, then we will revise. 3 types of seeds which we eat. Which 3 seeds we are using to eat? That is, wheat, gram and kidney bean. Kidney bean. Okay. So these 5 questions are very important. What was the first question? Which roots we are using to eat? 3 edible roots: onion, radish, carrot. This one is about stem, edible stem, potato, ginger, sugarcane. Okay. Then third leaves which we are using to eat. That is spinach, coriander, cabbage. You can write down mint also, and in this tulsi can also come. Then fourth one, the fruits which are having many seeds. The fruits which are having many seeds, they are watermelon, papaya, muskmelon. You can write down. And the seeds which we are using to eat, edible seeds, wheat, gram and kidney bean, you have to write. Now next question, that is, let's do match the following parts of the plant with their functions. Same page, on same page it is given. Let's do and A. Match the following. What is first? First picture is given of roots beta and the function is written. So I am here writing the numbers. In same way you can do the first part, we will match to C part. Okay, and what is C? The root. Root take in water and mineral from the soil. So first would match from C. Then second question is of stem is given, and what is the function of stem? Holds the plant upright, and it is given on A. So in front of second you can write down A. Then third picture is of flower, and the function given grows into fruit. The flower grows into a fruit, you can write down the D. And the fourth one, the fourth picture is given of tomato, and the function is given contains C. So you will match from B. Okay, all the matchups you have to do, children, very well. Either you can match and you can write the numbers like me, and you have to learn it also. Thank you.